Magnetic track lighting. Magnetic system, expanding your limitless imagination. Connect each other by joint plate. Magnetic support 1.5 kg and safety clip support 2 kg. Connect power supply to the power adapter. Attach a power adapter to the track. Use minus connector to attach two tracks together. Attach straight minus adapter to transfer the power. Use L connector to continue track from wall or ceiling to another wall or ceiling. Use two minus connectors to attach L connector and tracks together. Attach corner adapter to transfer the power. Linear line, wall washer, grille light, track light, pendant lamp, dimming with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth mesh, DALI, Triac. Where it is used, tool-free positioning, adjusting and focusing. Thanks for watching. For more details visit our website www.kingornan.com.